Well, I've been working on the computer most of the morning. I started getting frustrated because I'm doing voiceover on it. So Christian needed a ride.
Yeah.
So I ran over and picked him up. It's gonna get me out of the house for a few minutes, which I really need. I'm starting to get frustrated. I'm starting to get pissed about it. I'm not able to bang out this voiceover line well, so this will give me a little bit of a break. Used to work right there. No, the trucks are there. His flatbed's there though. Might have to run back by there and go say hi to him.
Sounds like a plan.
So I'll probably help these guys for a minute or two, relax my mind for a minute, and then get back to it and see if I want to finish this video today and move on to something else. Ran over here to the office and started the haul truck for a little bit. Got the 140 on it. Doesn't have much for me to do, and I hate that. I like trying to stay busy. So now I'm gonna go back home, see if I can knock out the commercial completely and create a couple renditions of it, kind of get it going. See how it goes. Frustrating, a little bit of a rut. I hate getting in a creative rut. So I want to try and pick it back up, see if I can get it figured out. Good God, Jared doesn't load very light. Yeah, picking up a load of dirt to go over to the Atkins job where I dropped Christian off at. This pit that we found a while back, or at least one of the other companies found a while back, we've been hauling on. This is our 265, by the way. The guy that owns it ends up selling it, and he put an ad out to sell the dirt, and man, he's gotten all kinds of calls. Done pretty well for himself. So I'm really happy to hear that. Well, it's 5:50. Jared's here. You barely see us. We're talking, moved some tires in. I rearranged the shipping container, which you can't see because it's dark as hell, but you can see Jared. And I'm getting ready to head home. I'm hungry. I got a ton of work to do. Need to make dinner. So I'm waiting for Ashley to call me and tell me she's off work so I can go home. And then me and Jared are just hanging out talking, waiting for the pressure washer to fill and get everything locked up, and we're headed home. So see you guys tomorrow.